to allow a specific app to run in the background on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to put that app to the Never Sleeping apps list. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery. Tap battery and then tap background usage limits. Tap Never Auto Sleeping apps. As the example, we will allow Gmail to run in the background. To do so, tap the plus icon and then select Gmail. Next, tap Add. You can see that Gmail is now listed in the Never Sleeping apps list, which means your phone will allow Gmail to run in the background even if you are not using this app. Given to the function, you can do this if you want to allow a certain app to run in the background, so you will not miss any update or notification of this app. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.